radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Burnett, Marble Falls, Kingsland, Leno, Buchanan Dam, Gainesville, Granite Shoals, Horseshoe Bay, Buchanan Lake Village, Highland Haven, Hinks Lake State Park, Enchanted Rock State Natural Area, Bluffton, Prairie Mountain, Stills, Longhorn Cavern State Park, Crabapple, Oxford, Hill, and Sunrise Beach Village. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging winds, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough.